Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, Cheap Solomon's local and long-distance movers near me. In Solomon's, our long-distance moving services are designed with a deep understanding of the nuances involved in relocating. We prioritize your peace of mind, offering a range of packing options and custom crating for delicate items. Our skilled team ensures that your belongings are transported safely, and our meticulous planning and execution make the moving process seamless and stress-free. In Solomons, Maryland, known for its maritime heritage, our moving services are tailored to respect this legacy. We provide expert packing services, secure transportation of nautical equipment, efficient residential moves, office relocation services, and custom moving plans for special needs. Choose us for a move in Solomons that respects its maritime tradition. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Solomons moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.